Hello everybody, it's Mrs Edwards here. It's time for maths. It is the 20th of the 1st, 2021. So all this week we have been looking at different units of measurement and how to use them in addition when we are adding two amounts together, and we've also been looking at converting those amounts, haven't we? So today we are going to be using our addition skills in relation to measure and mass. Now what does mass mean? What do I mean by the word mass? Mass is the measurement we use when we find out how heavy something is. And when we measure mass, we use kilograms and grams. So let's just quickly look here. You can see that these carrots here weigh 1 kilogram because that's where the arrow is pointing. And then if we look at this scale here, it tells us it is in grams, and because we are halfway between the 10 and the 0, we know that this sweet weighs 5 grams. And then on this scale here, we can see that they're in grams going all the way up to a kilogram, and we can see that this bag of flour weighs halfway between 700 and 800 grams, which means it must be 750 grams. Okay. So here's our maths word wall again. You can see we've now got kilograms and grams on there because we need to think about these as our measure. We've kept thousands on there for a good reason, because let's have a little look. So we need to remember that one kilogram is exactly the same as 1,000 grams. So just like yesterday when we talked about millilitres and litres, 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams. So therefore, if 1 kilogram is the same as 1,000 grams, 4 kilograms must be the same as 4,000 grams. And equally, if we work backwards the other way, 700 grams must be the same as 7 kilograms. So, little brain warm up here. What are you going to use to measure the weight of these 4 animals? You've got an elephant, a spider, a tiger and a little bird. What unit of measurement would you use? Would you use kilograms or would you use grams? Pause the video, have a little think, have a little look. Okay, welcome back and congratulations if you said that you would weigh the elephant with kilograms and the tiger with kilograms, and you would use grams for the spider and the bird. That's looking very cute there. Okay, so today we are carrying on with our work with addition using kilograms and grams. Here is the success criteria we are using in school. And here is your bronze challenge if you are working on bronze. Bronze looks a bit like silver from yesterday, I'm sure you can remember. You've got some foods here, you've got the weights of these foods, and you've got to decide what addition sums you are doing using these pictures. So let's look at the first one together. Here is one for you. So it says an apple weighs 140 grams, sorry. So let's put that in as our first measurement. 140G, because we can't forget the grams, because otherwise it might be an elephant, it might be a monkey, it might be a chimpanzee. Okay, and then we've got our little cupcake here, which is 29 grams. So if you need to use a placeholder here, that's absolutely fine. We remember that it is 29, and don't forget our grams. So there we go, we're in our columns now. Okay, to solve this, we need to do 0 add 9, which I'm sure you know is 0. And we need to do 4 add 2, which I'm sure you know is 6. And then because we've got nothing in the hundreds column down here, we've got 1 add 0, which would be 1. But don't forget to put your grams in, because otherwise it could be anything. Okay, my lovelies? So that's what bronze should look like today. Okay, here's a guided one. We can do it all together. If you want to pause your video, have a go at doing bronze on your own, at home, pause it and then I will show you. Okay, welcome back. So if you've done this one, you should have done 35 grams, add 62 grams. There we go. Let's just space our numbers out so they are 1 per square. Okay, so first of all, we need to do 5 add 2. 5 add 2, I'm sure you know, is 7. And then we need to do 3 add 6, which I'm sure you know is 9. But we're not done yet, are we? Because we've got to put our grams in, haven't we? Okay, there we go. There is your grams. Right then, bronze. Oh, bronze. Let's go back to bronze, sorry. So there is your bronze challenge. Please complete bronze first. Remember to use column method. Okay, if we are moving on to silver, here is what silver looks like. It is the same sort of thing as bronze, but this time some of your addition will be in kilograms, which is the kg. Some of your addition will be in just plain grams. Please don't forget to show your working out and show your answers, including with the measurement unit, okay? You can pause the video at this point if you need to. There you go. Okay, if you are now moving on to gold, well done, number 1. But number 2, remember we need to think about converting. For example, if you have got an amount that says that, it can also be known as that, can't it? Because we can look at the 1,000 column and talk about it as a kilogram, okay? So on this one here, 9,594 grams could also be known as 9 kg. Not DKG, Mrs. Edwards. 9 kg, 594G. So 9 kilograms and 594 grams. Equally, 7,865 grams could be 7 kg, 865G. Okay? So that's just a little reminder for you. Okay, here is your gold guided question. So imagine you've got this. This would become, let's have a little look. So this would become 5,355, wouldn't it? Let's put that in. There we go. And this one would become 2,132. There we go. And then we need to solve it, don't we? So let's look. 5 add 2 is 7. 5 add 3 is 8. 3 add 1 is... Oh, where have you gone, 8? Come on. 3 add 1 is 4. And 5 add 2 is 7. But we're not done yet, are we? Because we now need to think about converting it back. So remember, your 1,000th figure just becomes your kilograms. So that will be 7 kg with 487 grams. 487 grams. Okay, my lovelies. So that would be how you would solve gold. Here is gold for you. Have a little go. Remember, you need to think about converting. Number 6, I've put a little triple addition in there. It's exactly the same. You're just putting another row into your columns. Okay, well done. And if you've got this far, if you have progressed this far onto platinum, well done. Platinum is all about varied fluency, and it is all about you showing me you can use maths in lots of different ways. So have a go at the platinum challenges if you get this far. Okay, lovelies, well done. Brilliant science lesson. I will speak to you all later. Bye-bye.